Welcome to Disney's Fort Wilderness Campground, a Walt Disney World original. Been here over 50 years. July 1st, 2024, the new cabins are open. Just loop 2,500. They're going to replace all 350 plus cabins. This small loop is a start. We're here opening day. Give you a sneak peek. These wonderful new now vacation club accommodations open to the general public through Disney Travel Company, a travel agent like myself and Fantastic Endeavors. Or if you're a DVC, Disney Vacation Club, use your points. I own a contract here, so we'll be here for Halloween every year. Gonna be here for Christmas also, mid-December. We're here opening day, 2514. We're the first ones to stay in this one. They had some VIPs, the first 10, but no one's been in this before. Hi, Bonnie. Bonnie's working hard. Brand new deck, brand new furniture, and some very cool hidden Mickey chairs. Love it, love it. And check out these windows. My one knock of the old cabin was the lack of lighting inside, very dark. These have plenty to see. Let's check out the inside. Cabin 2514. This is your first look. Very open, very modern. All new appliances, obviously. These are literally trailers they built off site and dropped them off about a month ago and then hooked them all up. Now they're ready to go. Beautiful kitchen. Well equipped. I'll give you a sneak preview of what's in the cabinets in a minute. And make sure you have your proper paperwork. Nice note from the general manager, Lauren. And of course, at Fort Wilderness, you have to know your activities. So check out the bedroom first and then the bathroom. I'll give you a sneak peek of the new bedding system. It does sleep 6. You'll see right here. You got the queen bed. Beautiful interactive TVs. Dave's here, obviously. Mickey's here, staying with us. Chip and Dale, the mascots of Fort Wilderness. They do a sing-along every night, weather permitting. Love all the decorations and decor. Again, so much better lighting. Much nicer, bigger TV system for the parents' room, and of course the bunk beds. Gonna pop up top first. There's a separate light for each one for reading for the kids. And this is traditional, just different layout. There were bunk beds in the old cabins. Check out my older shows on Fantastic Endeavors on the Dave's Disney playlist. In the lower bunk. Real solid layout. Got some drawers down low for storage for the kids. And then new theme at Disney, the under the bed storage. And a big dresser with plenty going on. Safe, of course. Big drawers. And of course the bedding for the Murphy bed outside. And some more Disney theming. And the Hartman family is here. Love the TVs. Gonna put the Euro on soon. Separate AC unit here. It has a multi-tier system with one quiet compressor in back. So when you sleep here, you can control the whole system separate from the living room. And that's 4 there, and then 2 here. The new trend at Disney since Riviera we stayed this weekend is the pull-down bed we'll check out last. We'll check out the bathroom. They give you some detail of the kitchen. Love the mirror and decor, and of course, while you're here, I haven't done it yet, but try the archery every day at like 2 or 3 o'clock. Check your activities calendar. Hello. Just love the lighting, love the decor. Did a real nice job. Easy to build these because they were built in a warehouse. And of course, everything you need. You even got a vacuum for the housekeeping staff. Plenty of towels. Met the director of housekeeping, the manager. He's awesome. He worked at Old Key West. So they brought him here because he understands vacation club members and all of our needs and all of our demands. Beautiful shower, much improved than the old tub in the old system. Of course, a new trend to save on plastic. I know you missed the take-homes, but that's okay. Then more towels behind the door. Fantastic, okay. Sleep 6, comfortably. Obviously, you're gonna have people together in beds, but that's how it goes, for the bunk beds. A little more detail on the kitchen. Nice big fridge. Again, all new appliances. These are all built new. New oven. Got plenty of pots and pans. There, and also down here. Make sure you do your inventory check when you get here. They should give you a checklist, but it's an idea. Big microwave. No more convection oven. By the way, back to a full oven. The cabin refurb 2015, the old cabins, and most are still here being used and checked in today. Nice Keurig. The old cabins took away the oven. This is a breaking news. Woo! Mention that we do a live feed. Full dishwasher. was so good they brought back the full oven. Original cabins had these old white appliances. When they did the refurb for 2015, they took out the oven, put in a hot plate, put in a convection microwave, which didn't work too well. And then everything you need for grilling. There's a grill outside. We walked by on the way in. And of course, all your silverware, full kitchen. And this will be one of your more affordable one bedrooms via points or even through cash on property. And of course, with Disney, you have the trundle bed. Forgot the throw pillows. They're supposed to be here. So, pretty cool, right? Love the lookout. And then when you're ready to go to bed, you have to roll this thing back and do a quick pull. Let's do it together. Throw pillows back where they were. I was taking pictures before. And then just roll this back and pull. One hand. Look at that. Cool. We're excited. One night this time, but we'll also be here Halloween for 3 nights and 4 nights over mid-Christmas for all the decorations. Fort Wilderness is still Fort Wilderness. And I love the detail in these cabins that really show off Fort Wilderness. The campers really shine when it comes holidays. I'm looking forward to staying here in the cabins. We enjoyed camping out in Mighty Bob the past couple of years and regular tent camping, but we'd rather have more room in my car for decorations than for camping gear. And check out all the windows and the lighting. I'll just end the video with this, saying, so impressed. First look, first one in this unit ever tonight, us. And you're here with me, David Hartman. Stay tuned for more.